Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. It is a very small right, but it has a very huge meaning. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty, but except according to procedure established by law. That means we can even take away a person's life or liberty if there is a procedure established by law. For example, there are many lawful ways of killing a person. For example, capital punishment or legal execution through encounters. Friends, Article 21 starts with the phrase no person, whereas Article 19 started with the phrase no citizen. That means freedoms given in Article 19 are available only to Indian citizens, whereas Article 20 and Article 21 are considered so basic that they shall be given even to non-citizens. Article 20 and Article 21 will not be suspended even during emergency. Article 14, Article 19 and Article 21 form a golden triangle. These three rights are considered to be the most sacrosanct rights of all. Friends, try to answer this question. Principle: no person shall be deprived of his life and liberty except according to procedure established by law. Facts: Amitabh is a patient with AIDS. He seeks treatment from a government hospital. Unfortunately, the nurses and doctors there spread the news of his affliction and he suffers much discrimination and prejudice. He sues the government for violation of his right to life. Your options are: Amitabh is not being killed by the government. How is his right to life being violated then? Option B: Amitabh's right to life includes a right to life with dignity and respect. This is clearly violated here. Option C: it is important for others' liberty that they get to know about a person suffering from such dangerous communicable disease so that they do not suffer the same. Hence, it is implied within procedures established by law. Option D: Amitabh's right of life is violated because he is already suffering and doctors and nurses have no right to add to his miseries. The word life in right to life doesn't just mean mere animal existence. It has a more meaningful connotation ascribed to it. Right to life entails right to life with dignity. It also includes various minor rights such as right to live in a healthy environment. Even right to education got included and later on was enacted as a new fundamental right, Article 21A, right to education. Here, by spreading rumors about his disease and by divulging confidential information, hospital staff have definitely made his life more miserable, and hence the correct answer would be answer B.
Did you like this video? Then you should definitely check EndeavorClat online course. 100 plus hours of live lectures, 120 plus topic based videos, 500 plus sectional and full length mock tests covering CLAT, ILAT, SLAT, LSAT, MHCET and more.